Rika Johnson. I am an agent at Illi Commercial, and I am here with...
I am Tia. I am the owner of Tia Donut on the corner of Reseda and Oxnard.
So tell me a little bit about yourself and your business. What does your daily routine look like?
Every day I came here at 3:30 in the morning and then set up everything, and then 5 a.m. I open the door. We bake it every night. The baker bake the donuts. Yeah, and I come and I bake whatever the rest, like croissants, bagel. And yeah, we bake it fresh every morning. Yeah, before we open the door.
That's beautiful.
We have a sandwich. Is boba smoothie and fresh natural juice and sandwiches.
Beautiful. I know that you told me a little bit off camera, you told me that you're from Cambodia. Can you tell me a little bit more about your experience coming from Cambodia to the United States?
I decided to come because I want to see different country, how it look like it. And then I came and then I learned it, I got experience and I like it. And then work for my ex-boss to get experience for 5 years. And then I have my first store in San Francisco at 2009. I have it for 2 years and I sold it to my friend.
What's your favorite donut here?
My favorite donut is maple bar.
Maple bar.
Yeah, I love maple.
It's so good. Yeah. So Tia, what was your vision for the Tia's Donuts location?
I tried to find good location and then good space, and they have the space enough for me to build a kitchen to bake a donut and have some space for table customer can eat it here. After they remodeling outside and then it look nice, and yeah, I got from my customer a lot. They say like, wow, I never seen the donut shop nice and clean like this. So it's made me happy.